Welcome to the first video of the world of baking. I'm Baker Girl, and today I'm going to be making chocolate cake with marble drip icing. Let's do it. For our cake today, we are going to be using all the ingredients that will be posted in the comment section below. Alright, let's do this! So, we are going to first add 2 cups of flour. So, let's see, let's get 1 cup here. Here we go. Here's 1 cup. And have to get it all down here real quick. Then I'm just going to get a little bit more because there's a couple a little bit at the top I missed. Okay. Let's now, it's loud. Okay, so now let's go ahead and after we've put in our 2 cups of flour, now we're going to put in 2 cups of sugar. So we have our sugar. Open it up. It's like a fresh thing of sugar. And we're going to grab 2 cups. Woo. Okay, 1 cup. And 2 cups. All right. All right, now we are going to need 3/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. Okay, this is now 3/4. All right. Now what we are going to do is we are going to add our baking powder. So I pre-did these so that we can just pop them in. Alright, so this is 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Now we are going to put in 1 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Then we're going to put in 1 teaspoon of salt. And now our final little piece here is our freshly grounded coffee beans, or if you are doing the original recipe, espresso powder. Alright, now we just got to mix them all together. So, let's put it on here. Very careful lowering it down. You're going to lock it in place. Alright, you're going to need to blend your wet ingredients now. So we have 2 eggs. Put those in there real quick. And then you're going to have your vanilla extract. So 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. I love the smell of vanilla extract. It is like the best. And then you are going to, I went ahead and I just mixed together my milk and my canola oil in the same thing. So 1/2 cup of canola oil and 1 cup of milk. So we're going to just go ahead and add that in there as well. And now we're just going to mix it all together. And yeah, So let's mix it all together. So we're going to lock it in. Let's stir it. So it is now mixing. Oh, it's exciting, guys. Oh, that looks good. It's like turning all chocolatey and gooey. I have my boiling water ready, so now we are gonna measure it out in 1 cup. So let's go ahead. Ooh, it's steamy. All right, that's 1 cup. So now let's go ahead and add it into our mixture. It looks ready. Let's go ahead and put it in. Okay, I'm gonna turn it off. Now that we have mixed all of our wet and dry ingredients together, now it is time to put it into our pans. So let's go ahead and we're gonna grab our pans real quick. All right, let's start. That looks so good, guys. For all the chocolate fans out here, I bet you guys are drooling right now. Sometimes whenever I'm trying to split a drink with my siblings, they always claim that I don't make it even, so. You know, gotta split it evenly. Now we are going to go ahead and put our cakes into the oven at 350 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes. So while that is baking, now let's move on to our marble drip icing. So you're gonna need 3 cups of powdered sugar. You're gonna need 1 tablespoon of corn syrup. You're gonna need 1/4 cup of warm water, it's behind here. And you're gonna need 1/2 teaspoon of almond extract. And then of course your food coloring. All right, so let's start by, I already put 2 cups in, so let's put our 3rd cup of powdered sugar into our bowl. Okay, let me put that in there. Now we have our corn syrup. Let's go ahead and put that in real quick. You gotta make sure we get it all in there. Okay. I'm scared right now. Okay, so now we are gonna go ahead and put on our warm water. So our 1/4 cup of warm water into the bowl. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna put in our 1/2 teaspoon of almond extract. Now we are going to mix it all together. So let's go ahead and keep whisking that all together. Making sure that it's all combined, everybody gets to come in and get all combined. All right, that looks pretty good. Look at that, that looks good. Okay, let's go ahead and we're gonna first, before we add the color in, we are gonna need to put our icing into bowls evenly. Put in our red first because I wanna make a pink. So let's just go ahead and do a couple here. Let's do like 3 or so, just to start off. We're gonna mix that all together. Ooh, that's so pretty. Look, that was super pretty. All right, so let's just keep mixing that one all together here. I think I don't need any more. That's good. All right, I'll mix that a little bit more in a second, but now we're gonna move on to our purple one. So, let's go ahead. We're gonna go ahead and put only 2 drops in of the red, and we're gonna do 2 drops of the blue. Just like that. Looks so cute. Oh, that looks so cool. It looks like it's like frosty and everything. That's so cool. All right, we're gonna mix that all together now. Oh, that looks so cool. Like that first little mix, that looked like so epic. Oh, it's so satisfying. I just love like watching like satisfying videos. This is like my favorite thing to do. Except I also like to play soccer. Super fun. And I like to play games and run around, ride bikes, you know. And I like to bake. I do a lot of stuff. But I just love this color. I love how it turned out. All right, that's our coloring. These cakes look good. They have now cooled. We moved them onto the rack. They look fabulous. Let's go ahead. You're gonna go ahead and choose which one you want to have as your bottom part to the cake. So I chose this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the top off of it. So just a thin little layer here. There we go. All right, that's gonna be good to eat. All right, now that we have done that, in my house, we always keep some chocolate buttercream. So, right behind me, we got some fabulous buttercream. Store-bought can work, but I'm gonna go ahead and along with all the other recipes in the comments below, I am going to also put the recipe for that. Okay, so now we are gonna transfer our bottom little cake here onto our stand. All right. Let's see. I'm scared to do this. Oh, I did it. Okay, right in the center. We did it. Okay. Now let's go ahead and we're gonna take our buttercream, and we are gonna go ahead and I have my nice buttercream knife here, and we are gonna go ahead and take the buttercream onto the cake and start spreading our buttercream all over this cake. Whew, that looks really good, guys. I just want to like eat it all up right now. Cut me a slice. All right, this is really good. This looks so good. All right, I am excited to try this for sure. All right, this looks pretty good. I'm just kind of adding a little bit more on here so that we can make sure that we get it all coated in this delicious chocolate buttercream. We don't want to miss a single spot, because if we miss a single spot, it's all going downhill. It's all going downhill, guys. Not really. Okay. All right. That looks good. And if you have extras, you know, you could just eat it. Because that's pretty good. That's good. Well, let me wash my hands real quick and we will get right back to it. All right, now that we have washed our hands, let's put the top layer of the cake on. Okay. Again, be very careful not to like have it break in front of me here. Oh, that looks so good. All right. A little off-centered there, but all right. That looks good. So now we can push this to the side and we can bring our marble frosting up here, and we are going to go ahead and just before we do it, we're just going to give it a quick little stir just to make sure that everything's really good and ready to be poured on. And so pink and purple are like my favorite colors. All right, this looks like super good. I'm speechless. All right, I'm just going ahead and making sure I scrape all the sides really good and kind of get it all incorporated in there. This is so good. Lightly gonna pour it over the cake. So let's do it. Super scared for this, guys. I don't know how this is gonna turn out. Just kind of gonna go over it a couple times, you know, just because. Why not? It's kind of like a. There we go. That's good. All right, let's go ahead. We're gonna put our purple on. So we're not gonna put a lot of purple just because I don't really want it to blend that much, you know, because that would be bad. All right, that looks pretty. Oh, this looks so good. I really like how it like kind of mixed around the edges and stuff. That's really pretty. Oh, this looks so good. Okay, we are going to have a couple of, I'm gonna have my family try this lovely cake, and let's get their rating on this, you know? Hopefully we're gonna do good. So let me actually introduce you. This is my brother. Hello. And this is my sister.
Hi.
And they are gonna be trying the cake with me. So let's go ahead and cut a slice. Cut a slice. That looks good, doesn't it? Who wants the first slice? Enjoy. Oh, okay, and a slice for brother. Okay, let me just go ahead and grab me a slice too, you know. I worked hard, I deserve a little slice of cake, you know. And if you made this, you deserve a slice of your own cake. All right. Wow, that was good. All right. You guys will try it first. That's really good. I like it. Delicious. That is so good. Can't stop eating it. I love this cake. I hope you do too. See you the next time on the World of Baking. Bye!